Our synthetic pyrethroid granular insecticides pose low risk to humans and pets when used according to label directions. Synthetic pyrethroid granules are designed to release active ingredients slowly into the top layer of soil, and that minimizes airborne exposure and direct skin contact. When applied at label rates, the formulations are intended to degrade quickly in sunlight and bind to organic matter in the soil, which reduces bioavailability. For safe handling, wear basic protective gloves and wash hands after touching the product or treated area, and avoid touching your face before washing. Keep children and pets off treated areas until granules are evenly distributed and any site-specific re-entry interval on the label has passed and the surface looks settled and dry. If a pet ingests granules, contact your veterinarian and bring the product label for reference, because most oral exposures at label application amounts cause mild and transient symptoms only. Store the product in its original container out of reach, and never transfer to food or drink containers, and always follow the label disposal instructions. 3 common concerns are accidental ingestion of granules by pets, skin contact during application, and inhalation or tracking of granules into the home. If a pet eats granules, rinse the mouth and call a veterinarian with the label information and bring the container, because most cases are mild, but professional advice is important. For skin contact, remove contaminated clothing and wash the area thoroughly with soap and water, and if irritation persists, seek medical care. To avoid tracking, bring pets and children back into the treated area only after the product has settled, and sweep or vacuum any visible granules from hard surfaces immediately, and wash hands and shoes before entering the home. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare project ideas related to lawn care and pest control, and we connect contractors with potential clients looking for services. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and professionals share real experience about products, safety practices, and contractor recommendations.